Today I woke up, I looked at my hair, and in my life, this has been the first time to have such hair. And this is because of the closure of salons in the country. And this taught me one lesson, that there is no any situation that we cannot adapt. And these two questions popped into my mind that forced me to share with you. And number one question was, what has this lockdown taught you? And secondly, what have you done in this lockdown? You realize that some sectors of the economy, some businesses, they are thriving, not because they are not affected by COVID-19, but just because they are dealing with something that is allowed to be dealt with in such times. This opens my mind. Can I also do something that really is allowed in such times? Of course, answer is yes. If borders were stopped, then salons of course were stopped, hotels were stopped, maybe any of your businesses were stopped. And now, can't you join food market where people are allowed to work? This is the problem we have, that we do not want to modify the current situation for better results. I was happy when I looked at these border men who changed from their career now. Now they started, selling eggs. I think this is what all we need. Can we think outside the box and we say, how can we survive in such situation? I believe this is the time that we can adopt online businesses, because the time for analog has been proved to failure, that now we can do online. There are a lot of online businesses that we can do, and of course this will save expenses on social platforms like Facebook. You buy MBs on daily basis, but only for gossiping. This time when you buy MBs and use those MBs, marketing your stuff, because you can start doing something at home. You start marketing it online on Facebook, not forgetting to know that Facebook itself has more than 2.5 billion monthly active users. And this is what we need to do. All these people need your product. That if we can be resourceful, then we can have the best out of this situation. Mwalimu Bafaki, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Stay home, stay safe.